Hey, it's Brandon from How Anyone Can Succeed. So real fast today, I'm going to walk you through Legendary Marketer's 15-day business builder challenge. I have been going through this. I'm actually part of Legendary Marketers, some other programs that they have, but I'm going to show you the inside of this, my review of it, and how you can get access to it. Because what is inside of what I'm going to show you is what I wish I found in the very beginning. So we'll jump into it and I'll show you everything on the inside. Hey everybody, so real fast, we're going to go through days 1 through 5 here real fast of the 15-day business builder challenge. I'm going to tell you some really good tips you need to know before you take this, kind of what to expect and really who it's for, because if it's not what I described, then it's not going to be for you. Okay, so first off, what you see here, this is the back end of it. So like once you get inside the business builder challenge, you see here days 1 through 15, you see some are locked, some are unlocked. I actually have 2 accounts with Legendary, because I'll post a video at the end here. It's to another video I have, because I have explaining the marketers club that they have and that fun stuff. But this is the business builder challenge. So realistically, who's it for? Is you see here, as he talks about this Dave Sharp, the number one secret to building a high ticket, high profit business online. Realistically, who it's for is it's mainly based around like affiliate marketing. And then he goes into the core 4, they call it, of saying, hey, here's the high profit, high ticket kind of business model you need to stick with in order to really like grow your business online in a very good fashion, which is a high ticket, which I highly recommend. But you'll see here, this is day 1. So when you get into this, there's a training every single day. You can get all these free bonus scripts, things like that. These are real awesome. You take a digital marketing assessment quiz. That's right there. And here's a really big thing. So in the beginning, I kind of mentioned this before, is like, I wish I would have found something like this in my journey, because you actually can talk to somebody and have them build a plan with you. Like that's part of the 15-day challenge. So when I started, it was like going through many different YouTubes and trying to figure out like what works, what doesn't work. Like it was very tough. You'll see here too, you can tune into they call it the Wake Up Legendary Call. These are awesome. Like these bring on very successful people who are saying, hey, here's what I'm doing now. It's working very well. And you could always watch these and rewatch them. These are awesome. Like I absolutely love these. And once you go through everything, all you're doing is going down to mark this as complete and continue to the next step. Hey everybody, so wanted to throw this quick video in here because this is going to be better for you if you do want to take the challenge. So this is the page you'll land on when you click on the link below for the ebook. And here's why you probably want to get this instead of doing just a 15-day challenge. And the reason being is because the 15-day challenge is $7. But if you come here and get this ebook, which everybody's freaking loving, that's all I see people post about now. But if you get the ebook, you can actually get free access to the 15-day challenge. So it's going to be better for you from a pricing standpoint, save yourself a few bucks. But you also get a lot of extra free stuff with the ebook. So this is definitely the better offer for you. And I'll put it in the link below. They start really breaking it down, and you can go through these. You don't have to do it day by day. Some are unlocked that way, but you can go through them. So like I was saying, the core 4, the top high ticket business models online, another long training. So this really breaks it down. So it's very intensive as far as very valuable and giving you a lot of knowledge. So if you're the kind of person who's like not really wanting to build a high ticket business, or not really interested in like affiliate marketing or whatever, like coaching, whatever it is, this is probably not for you. But if you're the person who's like, hey, I would love to do high ticket business online, I mean, the 15-day business builder challenge does not get any better than this. So here's day 2. You can schedule your one-on-one business plan call. It's free to do, to claim the bonuses and kind of have them go over with you. Like, hey, here's my game plan. Like if you say, hey, I want to do 10 or 20K per month, whatever it is, they can say, hey, okay, well, here's the next steps you need to take based on like what their past students have done, or people that they work with saying, hey, here's the path they took. So you can kind of model that. Don't reinvent the wheel, just model what they're doing. You can kind of see here the breakdown again, Wake Up Legendary Call, that fun stuff. So by this time, you should have your call scheduled. You should have these trainings. So you should have a really good idea of everything. And then you should probably have your business plan in place yet. And if not, it's coming up. So you're already on track real fast in the first couple kind of days, they call it, of getting everything ready to rock. So here's this. So let's build a business under 30 minutes, another long video, really good information. And again, if you haven't scheduled, you can feel free to schedule that. Now, here's the bonus part, is it starts breaking down, hey, here's everything you need to set up in order to start bringing in those high ticket affiliate commissions or just high ticket profits with whatever business you're doing. And you can see here, just more breakdown, like very valuable information. And this is realistically for people who want to take this very serious. Like if this is a bright, shiny object for you, don't do it. Like it's not going to work for you. This takes focus, and the payoff can be huge if you actually focus on it and actually go through it. So that's day 3. Day 4, I mean, you get the idea of how this operates. So again, another long training that really breaks down all very valuable stuff. They have the clarity process questionnaire. Again, you can schedule multiple calls with your business advisor, and they're going to help you throughout this whole process. Like, it's very, very good. And you can see, again, very simple. And then there's day 5. Like I said, this is how it goes up to on my account for this one. Like I said, I have a different account with Legendary, but here, I mean, you get the idea. So you can complete that business plan. Again, there's a business plan class and then another very, very valuable video. And here's what I realized is, like, a lot of people starting in their online journey, this is something they need from the very beginning. Like I said, my journey to my first 10,000 online, it was like very roller coaster, up and down, trying to figure out all these different things from YouTube channels and like all that craziness, like buying all these different courses and nothing really working. And then when I came across this, I was like, well, dang, I should have freaking found this. I wish this was available to me in the beginning, because like, it's literally like, hey, here's how people are very successful with this. Here's how you can do it. Here's the steps you need to take. And again, it's not reinventing the wheel. It's a matter of saying, hey, this person's doing very well in this area. Here's how you can model it by just modeling their exact business, because it's all online. So you're not copying it like 100%. You're just kind of modeling what they're doing and utilizing it for yourself in your own way, kind of thing. So that's what a business plan is. Like Mark Cuban says, like, or Tony Robbins, success leaves clues or breadcrumbs. It's not a matter of like finding the next crazy business model and blowing it up. It's a matter of modeling one that's already successful and just following the people who are successful with it. That's how most people in business become very successful. So, I mean, that's kind of days 1 through 5. So, I mean, if you want to give this, the 15-day challenge a go, I mean, feel free to go down there in a link below. That's going to allow you to sign up for this and kind of go through it. Again, if it's only for people who really want to have an online high ticket business or just make those high ticket affiliate commissions, that kind of thing, that's realistically who this is for. If that's not you, don't do it. But in a nutshell, that's it. And like I said, you can check out my other video I have where I go over the Marketers Club inside Legendary Marketer, which is a paid thing with them, which is a really good breakdown too. But I always tell people in that video, if you listen to that, don't go through that or don't go into any of these until you could do the 15-day business builder challenge, because it will not make sense. So yeah, again, if you want to get access to the business builder challenge, just click on the link below. It's going to be down there. I'll probably pin it in the description too. So you'll have access to that. If I can do anything else for you guys, comment below. Feel free to leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know where you're at in your business below. Thanks.